Welcome back everyone. The chapter that we are going to discuss today is carbon and its compounds, class 10 CBSE, chapter 4 chemistry. Let's go to the first line. Carbon. Carbon is the third most crucial element for life on Earth after oxygen and hydrogen. It is derived from the Latin word carbo, which means coal. Only 0.02% of the Earth's crust comprises carbon, which is present in minerals and the atmosphere. Clothing materials, dyes and all living structures are carbon based. Now let's go to the next slide. Now let's see what are covalent bonds. Covalent bonds are formed when two atoms share one or more pairs of electrons. Non-polar covalent bonds are formed when the electrons are shared equally between the two atoms. Polar covalent bonds are formed when the electrons are shared unequally between the two atoms. Single covalent bonds are formed when one pair of electrons is shared. Double covalent bonds are formed when two pairs of electrons are shared. Triple covalent bonds are formed when three pairs of electrons are shared. Now let's go to the next slide. Now let's see about the formation of hydrogen molecule. Two hydrogen atoms share their single electron. The H2 molecule is a non-polar covalent. Formation of oxygen molecule. Two oxygen atoms share two of their six electrons to form a double covalent bond. O2 molecule is a non-polar covalent. Formation of nitrogen molecule. Two nitrogen atoms share three electrons to form a triple covalent bond. The N2 molecule is a non-polar covalent. Formation of methane. One carbon atom shares its four valence electrons with four hydrogen atoms. CH4 molecule is a non-polar covalent. Formation of ammonia. One nitrogen atom shares three valence electrons with three hydrogen atoms. NH3 molecule is a polar covalent. Formation of sulfur. Eight sulfur atoms share one of their six valence electrons with each other. The S8 molecule is a non-polar covalent. Now let's see what are the properties of covalent bonds. Covalent bonds are strong bonds. They are insulators, meaning they don't conduct electricity. They have high melting and boiling points. They are also brittle, meaning they break easily. Now let's see about diamond. Diamond is the hardest natural substance. It is transparent and a good conductor of heat, but a poor conductor of electricity. Diamond has a tetrahedral arrangement of carbon atoms, with each carbon atom bonded to four other carbon atoms by strong covalent bonds. Now let's see about graphite. Graphite is soft and black. It is a good conductor of electricity and heat. Graphite has a layered structure with each layer consisting of hexagonal rings of carbon atoms. Each carbon atom in graphite is bonded to three other carbon atoms by strong covalent bonds. Now let's go to the next slide. So here let's see about fullerenes. Fullerenes are hollow, spherical molecules of carbon. The most common fullerene is C16, which is also known as Buckminster fullerene. Fullerenes have unique properties such as superconductivity and high strength. Carbon is versatile and can form covalent bonds with many other elements. This ability to form covalent bond gives carbon a wide range of properties including strength, durability and electrical conductivity. Carbon is also essential for life as it is the main component of all living organisms. Carbon is one of the most abundant elements in the universe. It is found in stars, planets and comets. Carbon is the basis for all organic compounds essential for life. Carbon is used in various products including plastics, fuels, paramactuals and food. Carbon is also used in new technologies such as solar cells and batteries. That's all for today's session. Thank you all.